Neptune, the eighth planet from our Sun, is a world of mystery and wonder. A giant ball of ice and gas, Neptune lies far beyond Saturn in the cold, dark depths of our solar system. It is a true giant, dwarfing our own planet many times over. Its blue color is captivating, a beacon from the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. But what secrets does this distant world hold? Let us embark on a journey to explore the ice giant, Neptune. Neptune's discovery is a testament to the power of human intellect. Astronomers, meticulously tracking the movements of Uranus, noticed something peculiar. Its orbit was slightly off, suggesting a gravitational tug from an unseen object. This led to the prediction and eventual discovery of Neptune in 1846, a triumph of mathematics and observational astronomy. This discovery ushered in a new era of planetary science. It revealed the vastness of our solar system and the existence of worlds beyond what we could have imagined. Neptune holds the title of the fourth largest planet in our solar system. Its diameter is nearly 4 times larger than Earth's. Imagine shrinking our planet to the size of a nickel. Neptune, in comparison, would be about as big as a basketball. Its mass is about 17 times that of Earth. This immense size and mass mean that Neptune's gravitational pull is far stronger than our own. Neptune resides in the distant cold region of our solar system, about 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth. It means that a year on Neptune, the time it takes to complete one orbit around the Sun, is incredibly long, a staggering 165 Earth years. Since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has yet to complete a single orbit around the Sun. This vast distance also means that Neptune receives far less sunlight than Earth. As a result, its surface temperatures are frigid, plunging to hundreds of degrees below freezing. One of the most striking features of Neptune is its vibrant blue color. This azure hue is a result of methane in its atmosphere. This gas absorbs red light from the Sun, reflecting back the blue hues we see. But Neptune's atmosphere is far from tranquil. It is a realm of extreme weather, with supersonic winds that dwarf anything experienced on Earth. Imagine winds whipping around a planet at speeds exceeding 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. These winds are driven by the planet's internal heat, which is thought to be greater than the energy it receives from the Sun. These winds create massive storms and swirling cloud formations, making Neptune a truly dynamic and ever-changing world.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the
driving these massive storms. Beneath the clouds of Neptune. Beneath Neptune's swirling blue clouds lies a mysterious and intriguing interior. Scientists believe that Neptune, much like its neighbor Uranus, is an ice giant composed primarily of water, ammonia, and methane ices. These ices exist in a state unlike the ice we know, likely forming a hot, dense fluid under immense pressure. Deeper still, it is thought that Neptune may harbor a small rocky core, perhaps several times the mass of Earth. This core is likely surrounded by a layer of supersonic water, where water molecules break down. It creates a bizarre state of matter that acts like both a liquid and a solid. It is even possible that Neptune has a hidden ocean of liquid water, sandwiched between its layers of ice and rock. Voyager 2's encounter with Neptune. Our most detailed glimpse of Neptune came from Voyager 2, a NASA spacecraft that flew past the planet in 1989. This flyby was a landmark event, marking humanity's first and so far only close encounter with this distant world. Voyager 2 provided stunning images and a wealth of data about Neptune's atmosphere, rings and moons. Voyager 2 revealed that Neptune has a faint ring system, much fainter than Saturn's but beautiful in its own right. These rings are thought to be relatively young and are likely composed of ice particles and dust. The spacecraft also discovered 6 new moons orbiting Neptune, adding to the previously known moon, Triton. Triton, Neptune's captive companion. Among Neptune's moons, Triton stands out as a truly unique and captivating world. It is the largest of Neptune's moons and is one of the most intriguing objects in our solar system. Triton is unique because it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation. This retrograde orbit suggests that Triton is not native to Neptune's system. Instead, it was likely captured from the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune in the distant past. Triton is a world of icy volcanoes and nitrogen geysers that erupt like frozen fountains, spewing nitrogen gas and dust high above the surface. Its surface is a tapestry of pink and nitrogen frost, sculpted by a combination of geological activity and the harsh radiation from the distant sun. If you love this journey, hit subscribe to FactFusion and stay tuned for more cosmic explorations.